Okay, here we want to graph the following function. We have f of x, which is equal to 3/5 times x minus 3 squared. So when you look at this function, okay, what's happening is you're first subtracting 3 from x, then you're squaring it, and then you're multiplying it by 3/5. Now the parent function for this is the x squared function. So let's go ahead and first graph that on Desmos. So we have x, and then we're squaring it, and there is our parabola. Now what happens if we take 3 divided by 5, okay, and then we multiply it by that x squared? Okay, well what happens here now is this is a vertical shrink. So we're shrinking it vertically by a factor of 3/5. Now if we take this 3/5 and then multiply it by x minus 3 and then square it, then we're shifting it, then we're shifting it to the 3 units to the right. So this is what your graph is going to look like. Okay, we have a vertical shrink of 3/5, and we're shifting it to the right 3 units. So let's go ahead and do that here. So we're first going to go ahead and plot the parent function at 0, 0. Okay, now we know that there is a vertical stretch, or a shrink in this case, and that is 3/5. Okay, so there is that shrink or stretch. Now it's a horizontal shift. So are we moving it to the left, or are we moving it to the right? Well, since it's minus 3, that means we're moving it to the right 3 units. So let's go ahead and put in 3 and press enter. So does that look like the graph that we graphed on Desmos? Okay, so that's what it's going to look like here. So that's our graph. Let's click save. Let's check our answer. And there is our result.